Today, technology has immersed into every aspect of our lives. This makes coding, AI, and robotics necessary 21st century skill set for kids. Schools must act as change makers to mold these young innovators into future leaders. Introducing the Artificial Intelligence and Robotics Lab, a one-stop destination for all your needs to impart the best coding, AI, and robotics education. We set up all new AI and robotics lab or upgrade your existing computer lab to incorporate coding, AI, and robotics as part of the curriculum for classes 3 to 12, aligned with national education policy and following various education boards with books and an all-inclusive learning management system to monitor students' progress. Our coding and AI platform, PictoBlocks, works on block-based and Python coding to empower students to program robots and AI projects with machine learning and AR/VR environment. Quirky to think creatively and make real-life application-based projects. To make the students' learning journey successful, we upskill educators through on-site teacher development program and year-long hand-holding for efficient operations. Our lab provides endless opportunities on cutting-edge technologies like self-driving cars, home and industry automation, face detection, and many cool concepts.
I have fever. Please take one tablet after meal, once in the morning and once in
We
the
are
evening.
empowering hundreds of schools across the globe. As rightly said by Maria Montessori, free the child's potential and you will transform him into the world.